Woks are a versatile and essential tool for any home cook. There are many products available to choose woks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best woks from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kinu Carbon Steel Wok Pan. Upgrade your cooking experience with Kinu's 14-piece wok pan set. Made with high-quality black carbon steel, this wok set ensures a healthy diet with its non-chemical coating. Its versatile size of 12.6-inch W and 3.7D can serve at least 3 to 5 people of food portions, ideal for family use or small gatherings. The lightweight wok heats up quickly and is compatible with all types of stoves: gas, electric, halogen stove, and induction. With well-designed details like detachable handle and hanging ring, this wok set is easy to use and store, saving kitchen space. Number 2. Carbon Steel Wok. The TOLA Nonstick wok is an excellent addition to any kitchen, offering a range of features that make it a versatile and convenient cooking tool. The pre-seasoned carbon steel material provides a non-stick surface that is free from chemicals, ensuring your food retains its genuine taste. With a flat bottom design, this wok is suitable for use on any stovetop, including electric, induction, and gas. The ergonomic wooden handle is comfortable to hold and provides protection against burns. The wok comes with a vertical lid that stands up for easy access, and a stainless steel spatula is included. With a capacity of 1.4 gallons, this wok can serve 3 to 6 people and is ideal for family meals or small gatherings. Number 3. Yasuka Carbon Steel Wok Pan. The Yasuka Carbon Steel Wok Pan is made from heavy-duty, black carbon steel, ergonomically designed with a wooden handle for easy handling. Its pre-seasoned surface is perfect for locking in the rich, authentic flavors of Chinese and other Asian cuisines. This wok is versatile, allowing you to cook healthy meals using various traditional cooking techniques like pan frying, braising, and deep frying. It is also convenient to carry and easy to store. Number 4. 12.8-inch Carbon Steel Wok 11 PCS Woks and Stir-Fry Pans. Beme Wok Pan is a versatile and durable carbon steel pan that is perfect for all your cooking needs. Made of carbon steel, this wok heats up quickly and evenly, allowing you to fry, stir-fry, stew, and steam with ease. The flat bottom design ensures stability on any stovetop, including electric, induction, and gas ranges. The removable wooden handle makes it easy to transfer the pan to the oven, which is oven-safe up to 450 F. The pan comes with a wooden lid that matches perfectly and a 12-month worry-free warranty. With proper care and maintenance, this wok will become more and more non-stick over time, providing you with a reliable cooking companion. Number 5. Goodful Hammered Carbon Steel 13-inch Wok Pan. The Goodful Wok Pan is a versatile cookware set that combines a classic design with modern features. Made from carbon steel, this pan delivers authentic results and ensures even heat distribution on a wide variety of cooktops. The professionally crafted wooden handle provides maximum control and comfort, while the real wooden lid helps retain moisture for faster cooking. With this wok pan, you can easily perform a range of cooking techniques, from pan frying to steaming. The high-grade carbon steel interior is naturally non-stick and easy to clean, allowing food to effortlessly glide out of the pan. Overall, the Goodful Wok Pan is a great addition to any kitchen and offers endless meal options for both professional chefs and home cooks.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.